Anyway, start it now.
Alright.
I mean, not the stream, but record.
Let me message really. Oh, blue.
Make him mad.
Taking effective fire.
So bot choppers left in the port.
Mate, what's Snooze gonna do? Imagine he makes a suicide push with 2 guys again. Will be fun as.
No selfie, no plate. They got Baznev.
Mate, we literally got the fucking bolt guns in the spawn and pushed you straight away.
I'm surprised we didn't come across him yet. I don't think he's playing with cheaters. Otherwise he would have come for us already.
No, he could play with cheaters, but... Ipress, yeah, he's, fucking cheaters, mate. Ipress
So he's
is
a
here.
cheater. Yeah.
Other than that, Dark Side, but... no, he's not here.
That's Cyber's
Ipress...
last game.
Oh, Ipress is not here as well. No, I can't see. Any hunts?
There is.
Yeah, there's a lot of hunts here.
contract
Hilo is
here.
right
Mark
there.
the
Should
helo
we
we
go
can
for the
use.
Hilo and the hunt? Mate, enough with the fucking sneeze. I'm not gonna wait.
Yeah, I think you might be right.
Mate, like, he's not gonna push that. I don't know. Let's
No,
go for the
you-
Hilo, mate. Fuck it.
We'll find him and put him down like a dog.
Attack me.
I don't think he's playing with cheaters because he would have come for us already.
Yeah,
He would come straight for
but
us.
Ipress is here. Oh, look at this boys and shit in the buy station. Could be someone there.
I just hope that heli doesn't go red.
Ipress wasn't my friend, but I don't know who he's in. He changed his name.
Yeah.
Probably he was someone in my friend list, but I can't remember. And I friended him.
Fuck, I really want to get to this chopper. This is a dangerous fucking part of road.
Ah, they got the Elo, guess what, can't. Nah, keep going, mate.
No, mate, we go back. You know what that is? That's a god. He's telling us to go back to full stack and hold the staircase. That's a little bit funky, but the second we start heading there.
Can you see the heavy chopper? Ah, he's right here.
Exfil bird
Wait for the
marked.
train, we can get the heavy chopper fuel and get the chopper.
That is not a bad idea.
I think we should get up the hill here behind us and take a look at the bar.
But we get on full stack
Ah,
regardless.
hammer! Get in. Oh no.
That's ours.
Fuck.
It's alright. It's alright. No, I like it. I like it. 'Cause
Yeah,
it's better
yeah.
to be panicked than back in the lobby.
Whoa, what?
I destroyed it. It was
Oh,
just
okay.
me one tap.
Mate, like when you open the map and get somewhere, the cars shows like pulled
Yeah.
off straight away.
Yeah, they're not there, then they kind of spawn in on you. Yeah. Yeah, I wish they fixed that, but you know, apparently these developers have bigger priorities, like $30 bundles.
What's the plan?
It's a little bit funky. They might have thrown the chopper down near
Heavy chopper is with us. Wait for
There's
the train
dudes
to
top
come up.
left, and there's dudes actor. So Rohan and actor is where it looks like there's shit going off.
Oh, there's someone on base as well.
Mm-hmm.
Moving.
Look at these
Well, I
fucking
think
hunts.
you're
Oh,
right.
one of the hunts
Contract
is
here.
gone. Just one left. I mean 2.
On contract here.
They got the hunt and the Hilo.
There's
There's a
one
third in the city.
Yeah,
Let's hunt.
I think you're right. We grabbed that fucking
Heavy chopper.
that heavy chopper fuel. I think that's the play.
Would be
You know
nice.
he's avoiding Sahid because he knows we're here. Like, what a gay cunt.
But
He knows we're good with the shotties, me and Astral, and like all the SMGs. He knows, like, to be fair, he's really dog shit. Vehicle.
Which direction?
Don't know. I heard like a hum.
Oh.
Definitely did.
sure.
100%.
I heard a truck, I reckon, but not sure.
It could have been a truck. It was like that hum sounds. It could have been the truck or the.
Ah, fuck,
At
mate.
distance, it's hard to tell. Truck, bike, GMC. At distance, they're just
Yeah.
that.
Should
Or
I go
not the
for the
GMC.
train?
But... Yeah, go now.
Joker.
Joker.
Joker, stay.
Coming this way.
What's this
Coming
guy?
his way.
Coming onto us.
Coming to us.
Do we stay here and hold stairs?
I think so.
Or do we jump on train? Do we jump on train?
Nah.
I'm happy to stay here.
Yeah.
Just avoid the jokers. Another one.
No, look, heli. Play heli, play
Bot.
heli.
It's a bot.
No,
Isn't it?
You sure?
Plays in train, that's what.
Plays and train,
Yeah.
plays and train.
Ultra One, killing
Finish it.
operators is our task.
Joker is incoming.
Ahead. Engage at your discretion.
Another Joker coming in, inbound.
Taking fire!
Oh
I was
shit.
inside.
Me too.
Heads up, enemy special forces!
I got to finish on the count, but can't see him anymore.
Did you recognise the username?
Oh, should I make him down me so we can see the name?
No. I saw the username. It was like Eden or something.
There's the guy on the train.
Can you see
Get
him?
down.
Like,
Opposite
he's so
force back.
he's far, but I can't see.
Oh, you're
shit.
talking about Joker guy.
Yeah.
The only reason I'm gonna say no, Astral, is it works both ways. If it's blue and he doesn't know, that might actually help us
Oh,
out.
he's right
Moving
there.
here.
He got a largie.
I think this
Joker.
is blue.
Let him be. I want to see the name.
Roger.
Bed Santine Ring.
Crawl inside, but or near the door.
Yeah, crawl near the door. You can still get downed by his Joker.
Yeah, I
can
know,
res
mate.
him.
I know. Get me up, nigga.
Oh, do you know who downed you?
Stay with me!
That's not blue. Someone else.
Okay.
Okay, Roger.
Oh,
you
can you
recognise
see the
the name
name?
at all?
I thought
Many
you can see
thanks.
the names.
Sometimes you can.
He was right there, blue
Moving.
ping.
Yeah, he's on the faggot warehouse. So I reckon our play. It's gonna take a second, but we
Oh,
can get
please,
on the
yeah.
other.
Enemy marked.
Is it the one from train? Not sure. Sounds like a looted up
Okay.
one.
Someone crouch walking.
Affirmative.
Who's?
Fuck,
What
mate.
are you doing above me, Astro? What are you doing above me? Were you jumping?
Yeah. Astral was.
Stop! Everyone, stop moving for a second. Stop moving for a second.
Yep, someone's crouch walking.
Hot spots. My bad.
Should be bots. And if Sneeze come here, he will talk shit
Ooh.
100%.
A proxy,
He will fucking
boys.
scream. Gunshots to the quarry, to the sky.
Oi! Don't use it. No! Don't use it. Astral, come here. Grab this. And then drop it for me. Once you grab it. Just place the proxies like
Where?
I don't know, wherever you think's best.
I think we should put one.
No,
this
maybe
side.
place yours like on this staircase.
Yep. I need a proxy.
Don't.
Cheers.
Astral, maybe place yours in here, mate.
Where?
In here, just under the skylight.
Setting mine!
That works. No, that works. Fucking do that, and we'll keep the door shut. Because
Close
if
the
that
door.
way PS broke it. Oh, you're doing the when you get on top of each other.
Should I put double mine or?
Yeah, mate. Whatever you feels better. He's gonna come for us. No way, he doesn't come for us.
Setting mine!
Is he still alive? Talk to him. We should talk to him every second, mate. I don't want to wait here for dead. Because I think he will die, mate.
Yeah.
Tell him to come here.
Ultra One,
Tell
be
him to come see
advised,
it.
winds are picking up.
It's
Move
enough,
to an
mate. Like 3
extraction
minutes
point.
left.
Yeah, like
He's
why
kinda
has he
all
not?
time. Look at this,
You reckon he's running from us?
mate. I think he's camping somewhere and trying to make us push him.
Yeah.
Maybe. Not sure, but could be
Even
anything, mate.
Joker Boy is gone now, but
But
Be advised, enemy
The only
operators
thing I know
secured
is
a
so
weapons
fucking
case.
boring.
Locations are marked
he
on your
does
attack map.
love grabbing the weapons case.
we killed the guys on the weapons case. It's not him. Don't you see?
Yeah, no, but he could have just grabbed it then. He could have hopped on. Why has he not pushed us, the gay cunt?
Mate, enough.
What's down here is
Fucking
vehicle.
enough. Let's get the
Mark.
fuck out of here. Mate,
Yeah. I'm grabbing my proxies, but...
Yeah, same.
mate, if we die by Sneeze, we will be bored for
One shot
like 2
RTL
seconds.
staircase. He's not wrong. He's not wrong. I was him. I want to go come here.
No, ask.
I was him. I want it.
No, ask him his place. He will push him.
Quite open area. Watch me slam you. Yeah, bro.
Ultra One, you've got hostile reinforcements
Talk about me.
incoming.
He will be mad. Should we hit back to the Hammer? Hammer or Tab?
Hammer. We might need to recharge this, so Prox get in.
Ultra One, be advised. Threat level
You know,
is
I've
high in
killed
the
one of the
safe
guy
zone.
talking shit to me one time, and I killed him because he was writing to me. I know, because as I downed him, the message was sent. I pissed myself laughing. It was so funny.
He joined my party like
Chopper?
1 month ago, but
Possible player chopper Northeast 56.
northeast.
You see that?
Ultra One, you've got hostile reinforcements
See it in there now?
incoming.
Oh no, that's
Yeah.
I don't know, but.
Nah,
no,
just
it
bid.
wasn't.
Yeah, disappeared. That's a bot one.
No, that looks like bait. He's on a motorbike. It looks like bait, but let's go for it.
Ultra One, enemy threat is moderate near your location.
We need a
alive.
charge.
Mate, this guy's fucking enough. Oh, I wanna kill this guy so hard, mate.
I don't think he's hiding. Don't go high rise, but don't go high rise. That's where he'll be.
Ultra One, enemy operators have secured
Yeah,
a weapon.
that's a trap.
Targets are marked on your TAC map.
Moving to my mark.
He's on a motorbike.
But you know,
Still.
my mind just broke up. My mind.
Could be bots. Could be bots.
No, there was a 3 plate broken.
Ooh.
Yeah, there was a 3 plate broken.
You know
thing.
where to find me. He's got the weapons case. It's bait. It's bait. He's got the case.
Sure.
Yeah. Yeah. I put money on it. He's got the case.
How much?
This is what we train for, boys. I popped out. No, boys, don't push it right on. Put up RGL.
You got an RPG. Come back. Jump in, procs. They will make a turn. There was a Rick. Who is Rick? Do you know Rick?
Actual. Radiation is spreading
No.
through the
No.
area.
Should we
Advise
chase?
moving
You got an
to the
RPG.
extract point.
Yeah, chase. Fuck it.
Ultra
You-
One, activity
Yeah.
has
Oh,
increased
they're
in the area.
getting
Keep
close
your
to us,
eyes
by the
open.
way. They're the 5 now.
Ultra One, be advised. Enemy threat is high in the
No,
area.
they're going for people.
Fuck this car, man.
Stay up
Oh
here for
my
a second.
God.
Stay up here for a second.
Yeah. Let's snipe them off.
Damn, I don't have anything for that range.
One of them got a temperate.
I think that's blue. Blue loves temper.
Should be blue, mate. Because a lot of bunnies are format. Should be him.
Does love a good bunny. Astral, hop in. Astral.
There's 4 of them, mate. We need double someone.
You gotta believe. They're being mortared.
Last time.
Mortared by a different team.
Yeah,
Where?
my proxy's about to get broken. Should we push
Right,
more stack?
we're gonna get it. We got 11%.
Blue should
Fuel,
be there. One
yeah.
of the teams should be blue. Maybe 4 stack, maybe the Reapers.
We gotta fight this. We can't let the cunt.
Yeah. I think no. Go 4 stack. Don't push the Reapers.
Yeah,
guys,
no,
because they got
100%.
Threat
RPGs.
is moderate in the area.
They will come for us
100%.
anyway.
We're gonna run from these buildings through there.
Sure. Right.
Yeah. We don't have the charge.
I'm going to the stairs.
Moving
this
here.
long, so can we have angle on him from here?
Here they come.
Snipe the guys.
Ultra One,
Run,
activity
run,
is increasing
run.
near your location.
They're gonna
Stay
try and beat
alert.
us to 4 stack. Run.
Bomb drone.
Oh shit.
Was on your own.
Bomb drone.
I'm fading fast.
Are they on you? On you?
No,
I don't know about bomb drone.
Oh,
They-
keep going,
they will
boys,
push
keep
us.
going.
Tossing smoke grenade.
Keep running.
They will come for us, I feel.
On
I
4
I
stack?
can feel. I
On
can
4
feel
stack?
it. Stay in the first floor. Go, Nox, go. Get up the top, Prox. Oh,
No, they're on
no.
here, they're on here, they're
Yeah,
on here, they're on here.
Look at his ATV, that's the trap, I know it.
Yeah.
Mate, we should stay here. Not a bad position
On
actually.
them. That's on them from the other team.
Sneeze, you fuckhead. Where are you?
Astral. Not yet, brother. Not yet. Let's win it first.
Deploying sentry.
Hole in the wall. Hole in the wall, guys.
Yep.
We're getting pushed. Hole in the wall.
I destroyed the ATV.
UAV in detector.
Using a one jump from that range, you're actually pretty bad, eh?
Sneeze.
I hit you with the throwing knife first, dude. I was just trying to finish you.
Sneeze, calm the fuck down, boy. Oh, Sneeze. Finally, mate. After a long time, eh?
Yeah, win it first.
Yeah, you're right. I can't see why, but this guy here.
Is that an
he got
RGL?
knocked.
Hostile strike in the area.
Shut that door.
Hostiles
Keep that door shut, I think.
airstrike.
Ammo here. Got a field upgrade active here.
I don't have a gas mask.
Loot this bag.
Loot over here.
He does.
You have more proxies. We need proxies. We need to hold.
Yeah. Can you shout
I
me a
think
proxy?
I'm dropping you an ammo box.
Ammo here. Got a field upgrade active.
Large backpack for someone.
Loot spotted.
I need a proxy. Thank you.
Yeah, it's there.
Planting mine.
Push up with us, Nox.
Yep. One sec. I need my knives. Okay. Coming. Are they upstairs?
Yep. Don't push out straight away.
Smoke ready.
Snooze, come here, jump on the mic, you little bitch. Snooze, where you at? Baby's already dead, fucking loser.
Is the Sneeze dead?
There he is. There's a little coward. I bet you that's him.
Did you down someone?
This.
Raise it. I'm on the stairs, can't. That second floor team. He will. No. Close the door. You can't stand it. Careful.
I got you.
We should stick together. All we need.
Back to roof. Astral, back to roof. Everyone back to
Fuck
roof.
about me. Just go.
Burn it.
I'm up.
will.
I'm good.
I did.
Marking their location on your
Everyone
attack
back to the roof. Everyone back to the roof.
Yeah. Roof is the best place actually. I got the riot.
Got a field upgrade active here.
Where's the RPG guy? Can you see him?
Don't fall down, Astral. Please do not fall down.
No,
I really
I
want
won't.
to.
I won't.
He's such a faggot. Talks so much mad shit.
Where's the RPG coming from? Did you knife someone?
I think they res green
No.
ping.
There was. Let me check. Yeah, he did.
Yeah, he's
Absolute bodies here as well. Nice teams it is.
Just Astral. No, don't Astral. Astral, hold up here. Go at the back. Just hold up here.
Yep.
One hit, one on top.
They fucking ran. Oh, the
No, one's still up there. I'm hitting them with
One
things.
kill confirmed. 2 minutes
Send it now, boy.
Contract on your head.
Broke. On me.
See you, Snooze.
Come on, Snooze.
You little faggot. See you, faggot. You ain't nothing, blue. You ain't
Back to the
nothing.
lobby, faggot.
You ain't nothing, you little bitch. Enjoy the
Nothing,
fucking
please.
lobby. Astral's with me now, bitch. Enjoy the fucking lobby. You ain't nothing. You ain't fucking nothing. Fucking loser. We had to send him straight, didn't we?
Oh,
Fucking
yeah, look at
loser.
this cunt. He got
People-
dodged out of
people-
you.
yeah.
Mate, good work. Proud of you, boys.
Yeah, yeah,
I'm
go on.
proud. I'm proud.
Stop talking in game chat, but yeah, fucking awesome.
Good job. Fucking good.
That felt good, didn't it? That
Yeah,
felt good.
mate.
That felt good.
Ah,
Let me get
I
his
feel
dog
so
tag.
good now. I feel
Yeah.
so fucking good now.
That's... You just gonna leave this riot shield here, brother?
I got. Did I drop the shield? Cause I got better guns. I got an RGL.
Oh, no,
as
I'm
well.
good. I'll take it then. I'll
Do
take
you want
it.
the RGL?
No,
If you
no,
want
no. I
the RGL,
got
just
like
hold
8 of
me.
them.
Because
No, no, it's
I
all
hate
good. It's all good.
RGLs.
Let's go. Grab that.
We got not much time, mate. We should make it out.
Yeah,
go.
yeah, we're good. We're good.
Where's the
I
finals?
got 20 grand for
Are we
it.
going to
I'll drop
final or
20 grand
Koshi?
off too. It's fucking finals a bit far. It's already at airport. No, that's
Yeah,
Colty.
fucking hell.
We killed who we wanted to.
We're standing by. Get
Oh, he's gonna be so upset. I'm gonna send that in the Discord too. We played that so fucking well too as a team.
Let me see. If
He had
blocks
dual
me.
charges. He had an RGL. We played that so fucking well.
Yeah.
Astral, mate, you played like this all the time, brother. It's like when Storm played with when I was playing with you and Stormnox. He was on his fucking A game.
Yeah.
Jesus. Oof.
Mate, I got two of them. There was the fucking time. When you sent it to the fucking stairs, I jumped from the hole
Yeah.
and got two of them. But you got the last one.
Yeah,
That's
I'm
nice.
pretty good at time and shit like that, Astral.
Yeah.
But if I say go fucking,
Your way. Expect
that's all good. That's all good.
What? What
He's
happened?
there. He's there. It's all good.
What the fuck is this? No fucking mate. Let me get dead last. Guy. They're gonna snipe the car. There's
Someone
a
else
bot.
drive.
There's a bot.
Someone else drive.
Stop. What did you say?
Let's go. Just. Oh, come back.
Fucking hell. Stay
Just
inside.
drive.
just stay inside.
Yeah, stay inside. I only got out. We're gonna go down.
We will make it out. Are we going to Rohan or the
take
one on the left?
Go Rohan. We got plenty of time.
It's 40.
Let me get my camera out. There you go.
I got the clean
On a
one,
props
mate.
fan.
Ah,
He
God.
even rezzed his boys and everything, and we
Yeah.
still smashed him. And we had no
got four,
gas
eh?
mask.
Yeah, we got
If he
four, I
wa-
think.
Yeah, no, like we probably got more like 6, mate. Because we killed both teams.
Yeah. And we killed 2 of his boys. I think 3 maybe. And he got the rest and we still got him. Because there was 4 guys in the staircase.
Fuck, we're talented.
Covered, mate. He got... Like, Snooze was a friend of mine, but...
Yeah, mate, something's wrong with that guy.
Denied area.
Yeah. Too much drugs, mate.
I honestly
Dude,
think
there.
it's something like that.
What the fuck? You all good? Oh, don't you have a gas mask?
Yeah. Nah, mate, I haven't had one for a bit. Where's this scuba? That works.
Yeah.
Grab it, but just
Oh,
keep it in your bag. It will break.
That's got 22%. Give me, don't confirm it just yet.
Right?
Does this guy
Oh.
come with a UAV?
Oh,
Oh.
I didn't get dead last anyway. I don't care. Yeah.
I'm good. I was teabagging his dog tag.
Oh, I need to
Taking
take a
from the
picture
drone.
of it. Take a
I
picture.
already did. I'll send it. I already did.
I'm gonna keep the dog
Ultra
tag
One, be advised that dog
for the last match.
Oh, I can't believe how when we killed him too, he was like stayed there for a sec in
Who killed him?
disbelief.
Did I? Ah, that's you, eh?
I did.
I
But
killed,
we both DPS'd him, so
I killed 2 of his boys. What's his skin, by the way? Does he use botch? Because I killed a botch
He
and the red bunny.
no, I didn't